Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Another warm afternoon, all the sunshine around and only a few fair weather clouds are really adding to the day today. We're looking at a temperature coming in at about, well, let's see, hold on a second there. 88 degrees, relative humidity at 65%. We have a dew point value coming in at 75 and a south-southeast wind at about 13. That south-southeast wind really is kind of key to the forecast for today. That's what's going to not only bump up our temperature because the air comes at us over land, ground heats up, the ground heats up the air moves into our neck of the woods, and we see a temperature today probably at about 92 degrees with a feels like of close to 100. But also that easterly wind flow kind of crashes up against our west coast sea breeze, and the two of them together act as the mechanism to produce the updrafts that give us a good 50% chance of those stronger storms. Last week, the stronger storms occurred on the east coast because that's where the collision of the sea breezes occurred, on the east coast. Now they're going to occur on the west coast in our area, so we get these stronger storms around. 30% chance of rain showers as we head into the evening. The daytime heating dies down. The rain showers kind of lay down a puddle of cooler air from the downdraft and the rain showers. And we start to end all the rain shower activity as everything moves out into the Gulf. So right now everything's pretty quiet. You can obviously see that we have plenty of moisture to work with. Everywhere from Orlando southward, it's got some spotty showers. We're beginning to see the effects of an east coast sea breeze now around Fort Pierce with that low pressure beginning to develop along the sea breeze front. That will actually be moving all the way across the state, and I think by around 3 o'clock we'll start to see some showers, pretty good showers building in inland sections of Hardee and DeSoto counties, gradually drifting to the coastline. And as it drifts to the coastline, that's where we'll see the showers and thunderstorms really begin to blossom, I think, around drive time this evening, and then move out into Gulf waters. Plenty of sunshine around. I think today the rain chance at about 50% will do it, but as we head into the next several days, we might be able to reduce the rain chance just a little bit. Watch Futurecast, put it into motion. The showers cross the state, they hit our sea breeze, they kind of explode here, and then they move toward the coastline as we head into the evening hours. That's the same sort of situation we're going to see again and again this week. We'll see it tomorrow, the day after, probably the day after that. And then some slightly drier air may reduce our rain chances each day for the next several days, but this pattern will be the same. Building showers inland, followed by those drifting showers out into Gulf waters and dissipating once they get there. Now, we had a pattern over the last few days where the majority of the rain showers occurred over on the other coast. That's going to come back again as we head into the weekend. Yesterday, though, we had some pretty good rainfall totals around here, even some 3-inch plus rainfall. So that was much needed, and it's very beneficial for us to get that kind of rain showers right now. 2.2 inches, 2.8 inches, that was not unusual. We even had some over 3-inch rainfalls, as I mentioned. I think we're likely to see similar sort of coverage again today. I don't think we'll see quite that heavy a rain shower activity. But nevertheless, that westerly wind continues for today, pushing those showers out into the Gulf. That'll probably happen again tomorrow and the day after. Eventually, that high, which is located to our north, and that northern location is critical for this easterly wind, that high will sink southward and be south of us by the time we get to the weekend. That shifts our winds around to an opposite direction, to a easterly direction. Winds move to the east, and that'll take the heaviest of the rain showers and send them away from us. So 10-knot winds today, shifting to the west with the sea breeze, coming back to the southeast during the overnight. 92 today, tomorrow 90. Same thing the day after and the day after that, with about a 30% chance of showers for most of this week. By the time we get to Friday into Saturday, then I think we'll see our wind coming out of the east shift to a wind coming out of the west. It'll come at us from the Gulf and push toward the other coast. That'll bring us morning showers near our coastline, and then push everything toward the other coast. That'll happen on Sunday as well.